Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rifat Wani and I'm from Indian occupied Kashmir. Today I want to dedicate this video to UNICEF. UNICEF, which is famous for child rights. And I want to remind UNICEF that there is a forgotten state by you and the world named Kashmir, where children are being killed, abused and tortured by Indian armed forces. I want to share a story of a child girl named Insha Mushtaq. Insha Mushtaq, who lost her eyesight because of pellet guns. She's a 14 years old beautiful girl from Sado village, district Shopian, which is 55 kilometers from Srinagar. One morning she was in her room doing her schoolwork and suddenly she heard some slogan from outside. She opened the window. As soon as she opened the window, a shower of pellet gun was fired on her and she fell down unconscious in her own room, very well in front of her own corner where she used to study till late nights. Her dream was to become a doctor. She was a brilliant student of her class and her teacher would always talk about her intelligence, hard work, memory, reasoning and truthfulness. Her teacher would always tell her that she will have a bright and shining future. She always used to tell her neighbors that I will become a doctor and I will try my level best to mitigate your sufferings. Insha was many times hospitalized in Kashmir and New Delhi for several weeks. And after repeated surgeries, there is no hope of getting her eyesight back. Her both corneas, both lenses and both retinas are completely damaged. I want to ask Mehbooba Mufti and Mr. Modi that Insha Mushtaq had not gone to get a toffee from CRPF camp. She was fired while inside her home. I want to ask Mehbooba Mufti and Mr. Modi, can you give her justice to Insha? I want to expose Government of India that Insha was not a Pakistani. She was not a militant. She was not a stone pelter. She was not protesting against establishment. Why and how she lost her eyesight and her dreams? Can you return her lost vision? Can you mitigate her sufferings? There are thousands like Insha who have suffered for no fault of theirs. Is this your peace you are trying to establish in Kashmir on gunpoint? I want to remind the international community, United Nations, and particularly United States of America, that you claim to be the survivor of human rights and female rights and student rights. When you were able to pick up Malala Yousafzai from Pakistan for treatment and for training in English language, in human rights, in freedom of education, freedom of expression, and promoting her as a voice against oppression, why you do not pick up Insha Mushtaq from Kashmir as a symbol of Indian brutalities in Kashmir and take state of India to the task of violation of human rights? Why Insha will not get the same treatment as Malala, same training, and why she should not represent the face of Kashmir as of now? I request all people from state of Kashmir, from both sides, Indian administrated Kashmir and Pakistan, that use Insha Mushtaq's photograph as a display picture and ask for justice for the child of Kashmir who are brutally maimed, blinded and massacred in the name of war on terror by the largest democracy of the world, State of India. Please, we want peace in Kashmir. Save child. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.